several years ago, I had mentioned that Jamaica needs to purpose build a city. You don't want people to go and start to buy land and stake claim, and then you can't do what you need to do. So we don't give the details as to where.
I put my own two and two together, alright? I want to understand what I say. You see, from the other day, the biggest thing in the world is that the big corporations, they might take over the land. They might buy up the land, not for the land, but for the water under the land. Alright?
All the requisite elements to create a new city exist here.
Good water in a cockpit country in a Jamaica, and that's one of part of the reasons why they need to take over that area.
This parish, St. Elizabeth, would be where we would be looking to develop our new city.
Defend Jamaica, people. Defend cockpit country.
This tank gives scientists and the rest of us a view no one has ever had before. What a hurricane's power looks like at water level as it storms ashore. In just 2 minutes, scientists here can take calm waters and turn them into a monster hurricane.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, my blessed love and greetings. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. I know Livefoot TV, the man of peace. See, now we always set the balance of the streets, living love, unity, and strength. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment seen. Yes, man, I know you saw the headline in the topic and the little snippets them before the video start. But before, start the reasoning, and I want to send, my sympathy, sincere sympathy, to my fellow Jamaicans, them. I also have relatives who have been affected, by Melissa, so-called Melissa. And when I say so-called, there's conspiracy around it. I don't know. I'm in two minds, I'm in doubt. I'm curious. You know what I mean? Was it a deliberate act on the vulnerable? Was Jamaica being made a scapegoat? Guinea pig? They ask the question them, you know what I mean? I was see videos circulating around and things that the Prime Minister has said, you know what I mean, before the hurricane, like, building a new city, St. Elizabeth. I don't want to hear what go on. You see me, but more I said my sincere support and, sympathy on the people who have, ones who have been affected, hurt, the families who have families who passed away, very tragically, Yes, man, and people still missing. People are yet to hear from them families up to this day, the 3rd of November. Seeing, very sad, very sad, very sad. As I say, me have family who have been affected. Roof gone, house gone. You see me? But, yeah, man. We'll get by, Once there's life, there's hope. Everybody who have been affected, just trust and believe. And easier said than done. Very emotional, my people. So me I say, if you're new to the platform, please like and share the content, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Please and thanks. The support is highly appreciated, loved. So me I say, yes, man. Yeah, remember Spragga Benz did come out and said something about 2 months ago about protecting the land and the maroon and the Catholic country and the water, them after the water, underneath the ground and the houses them. Jamaica is a rich country that some of us don't really know how valuable Jamaica is. Jamaica have riches in the soil from slavery days, gold mining. Remember gold mining are going to Jamaica, and who authorized it? See? And some of us didn't even know, so Jamaica have gold. We don't see gold mining are going out of other different countries and know so that are going to Jamaica too until it was exposed. But anyway, here is Spragga Benz, I say a flashback. This was 2 months ago.
People, I put my own two and two together, alright? I want to understand what I say. You see, from the other day, the biggest thing in the world is that the big corporations, they might take over the land. They might buy up the land, not for the land, but for the water under the land. Alright? So the next big thing for we are going to be water, you know. Water crisis, water shortage, when them take over and privatize water like how them do it now, cut off people river where you come and buckle water and sell to you. No, them not go for rivers alone, them go for the underground waters as well. See me? When them own the water under your land now, you know, coming like them own all your land, you know, cause them own water rights exclusive, you know. So anyway, the water there, all under your land too, you know, it'll become a problem down the line. See me? It's a cockpit country. At Jamaica, like aquifer or like, I don't know, but right, there's most of the good pristine alkaline water in a them cisterns or whatever the name is. I don't know the pretty terms, but it under the land good water in a cockpit country in a Jamaica, and that's one of part of the reasons why they need to take over that area as well. And government can have it under them jurisdiction, because time to come when them cut down water and certain things where God give you as well rights, and them start make it as a privilege and start charge you for pay fee or start cut it off until we start do what them want to do. We have some big problems. So if we don't stand up now and defend cockpit country and make it stay how it always stay for the hundreds of thousands of years, with the maroon them and well preserved and well Jamaican people can access it and use it, utilize it properly, and now forgot to corporate world. You see me? Defend that thing there. Defend Jamaica people. Defend cockpit country. Wanna sell out and no foolishness. I'm gonna defend what rights them now what wanna not even see. Believe me, no man.
Yes, man, on the Spragga Benz, I say. Me did repost it before, me I repost it. Just a flashback. Because some of us is like we're blind to see, you know, we get caught up in this social media, TikTok, and brainwash. Because we say we love politics and they look at handout, the $2,000 and the whatever from politicians, and I know say them are use we. We only see them when the election come around, you know. And forward near, you see the MP them and the politicians them, leaders them. See it? But we Spragga Benz them right. Them, remember when time they go up at the Maroon town there? And the Maroon them have to run them way. Richard Curry have to run with some of them too. Yes, them after it because them know Jamaica rich, powerful, blessed by the Almighty, ancestral. You see me all up a history. But you see, them only can do it if the greedy politician them agree to and sell out. And that are going. Not just Jamaica alone, they go in Africa too. But we're from Jamaica, so we're concerned. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm have a Jamaica, man. Is it? But Spragga Benz say, never tell a lie. Is it? No, listen this. My bro God say, this was before. I don't want to call him bro God, Kanjo. This was before Hurricane Melissa. Listen.
Several years ago, I had mentioned that Jamaica needs to purpose build a city. We haven't really purpose built a city. We have never done it. Certainly not since colonial times. Maybe Spanish Town was the only purpose built city. And I had tasked the UDC to identify the area that would be best suited for the development of the third city. Two areas were in close competition. And I'm not going to say specifically where, because that is going to just unleash, you know, you don't want people to go and start to buy land and stake claim and then you can't do what you need to do. So we don't give the details as to where. But suffice to say that the area that we have been advised is the best area to do an entirely new city, and it is because all the requisite elements to create a new city exist here. And you don't want to create a city that replicates Montego Bay and replicates Kingston. You want to create something unique. This parish, St. Elizabeth, would be where we would be looking to develop our new city. That's a big deal, a big announcement.
You see it? There is some words where I'm using it, you know.
Several years ago, I had mentioned that Jamaica needs to purpose build a city. We haven't really purpose built a city. We have never done it.
You see me? He has been advised, you know. It's like a must. It's like it is a must of to develop St. Elizabeth. In the one call a certain name, the people run go buy up land and stake ownership and claim so them can't get to do what them do. That's his words, you know. That's how him say.
And I'm not going to say specifically where, because that is going to just unleash. You know, you don't want people to go and start to buy land and stake claim, and then you can't do what you need to do. So we don't give the details as to where.
So the ones them who born and come see them four parents, them great grand and grandpa on the land and take over. See? The only way to get them off of the land enough to do something disastrous, sorry to say, but the only way we can say it and think it. Forget the agricultural countries, them parish them in Jamaica, and mostly St. Elizabeth, though, Westmoreland, Zine, Black River. Why St. Elizabeth? Me have family at St. Elizabeth, me have family at Westmoreland, me have family who have been affected by the storm. But here in that speech, we see it circulate on TikTok. And I wasn't aware of it. But when me saw it, I say, hey, something not sound right about this. You see me? Something not sound right about this. Is it the only way to get to do what they want to do? And to take the action? I don't know, I ask. Why would somebody want to do that? Why would somebody want to create an hurricane? Man-made hurricane. Why? When natural disaster happen, earthquake, hurricane, landslide, them say a Father God do it. No. Natural disaster by the Almighty. Why would somebody want to create hurricane? Listen to this. Flashback again.
Good morning. This tank gives scientists and the rest of us a view no one has ever had before. What a hurricane's power looks like at water level as it storms ashore. In just 2 minutes, scientists here can take calm waters and turn them into a monster hurricane.
The wind is gradually getting stronger and stronger as it's coming up here, and it's ramping up to a Category 5. It's probably about a Category 3 right now.
This 75-foot-long tank is the first simulator in the world capable of creating a Category 5 hurricane over water.
Yeah. Them can make it into a Category 5 in space at 2 minutes once them turn it on. Zine? That's scary. Why would somebody want to do that? We know them invent a lot of stuff. It's just a matter of time for them to reveal it and mash up the world and conquer the world and do what they want to do, because they have the money, they have the billions. And again, go back to what I say, if the Prime Minister them don't agree with it, it can't happen. They have to agree with it and sell out and get them millions and know say when the thing start go Armageddon or the thing war or disastrous, anything at all, them in them big house, them safe in them bunker, while we the vulnerable and the poor have to face the consequences. You see me? Yeah, man. Joke thing. But my fellow Jamaicans, open your eyes and look and realize. Look in between. Don't just think one way. You see me? Don't just think one way and feel like say, yeah, them mean we not good. Them don't mean we not good. Yeah, man. Them don't mean the poor no good. Richer for the rich. See me and say? Yes, I. But I'm going to end now and end that video here. You see me? And once again, speedy recovery. See it? Pick up on yourself. And man of peace, Lionfoot. I'm out.